Welcome back. So the problem for the session is share. Let us change the color. Share, buy and sell. Okay. So these are share prices on 6 consecutive days. You can make 2 transactions. In a transaction, you buy and sell. You cannot buy same share 2 times in a day. You cannot do this. Okay. So this is solved by memoization concept of dynamic programming, DP. In memoization, we don't use recursive technique, we use a matrix instead. Say we create a matrix. This is day 0, day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. This is a transaction 1, transaction 2, and these are the profits. We need to find out the profit at the end of day 5. Okay, and the maximum one. Okay, let us call this matrix as profit matrix. Okay, so let us implement this in Python. First, prices. What are prices? 5, 11, 3, 50, 60, 90. Let us read it from outside. Say list map hint comma input dot split at blank space. Okay, now k is number of transactions, which is an integer. This is one test case, there may be several test cases. Now call the function maximum profit and pass the inputs prices and the number of transactions. Print the output. Print the output. Okay. Here you need to find out maximum profit. The general convention is we start assuming maximum as 0, but here there is a chance of getting negative values. If share price is 11 and you sold it at 3, then profit is -8. So because you get negative values, let us take our initial maximum as -infinite. For that you need module sys. Our maximum is -infinite. Okay, minus maximum size. So define maximum profit. Inputs are prices and number of transactions. If length of prices is 0, return 0. Okay. This is to satisfy test cases. Sometimes the prices list may be empty. In that case, the function should return 0. Okay. Because you use length of prices many times, let us save that value in n. N is length of prices or number of days. Okay. Now create profit matrix. Initially it contains 0. This is row. And how many columns are there? you have k plus 1 columns because you need column number 1 and column number 2. Okay, now one more square bracket. Fine. Now for transaction in range 1 to k plus 1. So 1 to k actually, and you need k plus 1 because Python needs k plus 1. So maximum so far at the end of a transaction is minus infinite. This is to take care of negative values. Okay, now for day in range, so let us start from day 1 to day n minus 1. Okay, now maximum so far is maximum of, okay, you are in day 1, you did not start transaction, current transaction. Okay, so on day 1 you have two options. On the previous day you did not buy a share or you did buy a share. Okay, so first option, you did not buy a share, whatever maximum you have is a maximum. Second option, you bought a share, so profit from previous transaction, previous day. This is profit from previous transaction, previous day. Okay, now you bought share, you are on day D, so you bought on day D minus 1. Okay, at that price. So this is, you did not buy the share, buy a share, so whatever maximum you have is a maximum. This is, you bought a share, okay, before starting current transaction. This was a profit from previous transaction on previous day. Okay, on previous day you bought a share, on previous day you did not bought a share. Now profit from Tth transaction on day D is equal to maximum of, now two options. One is you sold and got this much money, or you did not sell it. So whatever profit you got on the previous day is continued. See here, you did not buy a share, you bought a share. Here you sold a share and you did not sell a share. Okay, return the last value of the cell. So the name of matrix is profit, last row is K, last column is n minus 1. Okay, done. So 0 into n, so you don't require them. Yes, square brackets matched. So what are the prices? 5, 11, 3, 50, 60, 90. 5, 11, 3, 50, 60, 90. Two transactions. So the maximum price you get is 93. Okay. What is that? So bought at 5 rupees, sold at 11 rupees. Bought at 5 and sold at 11. Okay. The profit is 6. This is transaction 1. Now transaction 2. Bought at 3, sold at 90. And what's the profit? 87, and 87 plus 6 is 93. Okay, so hope you understand it. And this is very important problem. It takes care of it. It uses dynamic programming memoization. So a transaction has two phases: buy and sell. And while buying, you have two options. While selling, you have two options. Okay, all the options are taken care here. Please go through it, practice it once and twice. Very important problem, close to my heart. Hope you understand it. Even though you don't understand, by practicing it, you will understand. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe.